There are a lot of traditional ways to install flooring. And then there's our way. We like our way because it's fast, easy and strong. And it requires a minimum number of tools. For a professional, this means time and labour efficiency. For the DIYer, no bruised thumbs and a better end result. Finish and durability are two other important aspects. Our technology features high resistance for vertical impact, tight, super strong joints with no gaps, and no squeaking sounds. When it comes to patterns, we leave it up to you to decide. So use your imagination and be creative. Now, we're not saying you should throw away all of your tools, nails and glue. Put them to good use on something other than your floors. With our Click technology, you'll have time to spare. Fast, easy, strong, and with a perfect finish. That's our way.